Welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here. Let's get making some incredible appetizers. We're going to start with the pull-apart garlic loaf. And you can use any loaf of bread you'd like. I have a sourdough loaf here. We're going to cut down through about 1-inch segments, but you're not going to cut all the way through. So those of you that know what an onion blossom looks like, we're going to kind of do a onion blossom style on this bread. All of the ingredients and description are down below, you can find. And if you have any questions, always comment and ask me what you need to, and I will get right back to you. But this is a great holiday appetizer you can do with a family or a group of friends. This would be great accompanied with garlic bread or any other pasta, or just one of those wonderful sides that we all enjoy during the holiday season, New Year's, football parties, anything like that. This would be great for. So as soon as you have this cut in this crisscross pattern, I'm going to show you this beautiful onion blossom style. Now we're going to fill it up with all the goodness. We're going to use 1 full stick of butter, and we're going to melt that down. The other ingredients, of course, we're going to have parsley, we're going to have garlic, we're going to have salt and pepper, and this is going to be basically our butter garlic mix that we're going to stick inside those bread slices. So I want to take a second and thank you all so much for being here. I really appreciate you being here and wishing you a very happy new year. Hope you had a great holiday season, and on to the next year and make all our wishes and dreams come true. We're going to mix this up, and you're going to try your very best to get all of the butter and garlic and parsley mixture down inside all of these creases. You can spread it open and dump it over the top. You can use a brush like I did here and stuff it down inside. You have plenty of butter, so do not even be skimpy on this. This really makes a wonderful buttery garlic bread. But we're not done yet. We're going to add one more wonderful thing. So I have fontina cheese and mozzarella cheese here that I've shredded up, 1 cup of each, and we're going to shove this down inside those cracks the best we can, over the top and everything else. Your oven is preheating at 350 degrees, and we're going to wrap this up in foil, as you see in just 1 second, and we're going to bake it for 20 minutes. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before you bring it out, and it is a crowd pleaser. This did not last long in my house. This was a fabulous, fabulous dish. So again, you're going to wrap it up nice and tight with some foil, and we're going to send it off to the oven. So while we're doing that, if you could please take a minute and smash that like button, subscribe down below, and let's pop this in the oven. And here it comes. I'm going to uncover it, and you can see this cheesy goodness. If you want it to brown a little bit on top, you can definitely pull this out and give it just a quick broil, but this was soft and wonderful. This is a very delicious dish. Now there is your garlic pull-apart bread. Yummy. And on to our second amazing appetizer, meatball cheese puffs. These are one of the best things I have ever eaten, and I do encourage you to give these a try. They're so easy. So this is a puff pastry sheet. So not the phyllo dough sheets that we've used in the past, just these sheets. 2 usually come in a box. If you want to make 24, which the recipe is down below, you're going to use both those sheets. I am going to make a half a recipe here, so I'm going to use just 1 sheet. So I divided it in half, and I'm going to roll this out, which you don't see me do, just a little bit thinner and into a little bit larger piece. We're going to take Dijon mustard, spread it over the top. The other incredible ingredient, and you want to get this basically edge to edge, because your meatballs are going to sit on top of this as if you are making raviolis. We're going to take thinly sliced Swiss cheese and put it where each meatball is going to go. You can make your own meatballs, or I did buy the Kirkland Italian meatballs pre-made from Costco. These are perfect for this. This makes this appetizer very quick, very easy. Our oven is preheated at 400 degrees. You basically just follow the ingredients or the cooking instructions on the box for the pastry dough. You're going to put your meatball there, crimp down the edges. You don't even need to whitewash these or anything. In the oven for 15 minutes, back out. Cheesy, bubbly, puffy goodness. Everything comes together so great in these. I'm going to show you a quick little cross section of these, And really, I just dipped them in marinara sauce and they are incredible. I love you guys, and I'll see you next week.